In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the driver's side of the engine bay. Let's get into it. We're going to take this engine cover off, just grab underneath the front, lift up, and then pull forward. A couple clips, some grommets on the front. Using a T25 socket, we'll loosen up the screws. Lift up on the cover, and I'll just get in there with a straight blade screwdriver. Pick up the air filter, and there it is. Take the new air filter, line that up, push it down in place, put the box down, make sure that all the screws are lined up. That's good. And I'll snug that down. I'm going to take the cover, slide the pins in the back, and get this lined up, push it down on the grommets, then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.